There's a new way to stay connected to your favourite teams during the World Cup, even when you're not watching, because now your iPhone can keep you right in the middle of the action in real time. Let me show you how to follow your favourite country and set this all up. And if you enjoy iPhone tips like this, feel free to subscribe. I've got plenty more quick tips coming. So all of this happens in the Apple Sports app, which is completely free. If you've not got it yet, grab it from the App Store. And it's just been updated ahead of the World Cup. And then you can follow the tournament from the top right-hand corner by selecting FIFA World Cup. Also, while you're here, tap onto Edit and be sure to choose your favourite national team. Once you hit follow, you'll start getting live updates for every match they play. So when a goal comes in, you'll know immediately. When the score changes, you'll see it straight away. And you can follow it all without having to constantly open the app as well, because this shows up in your lock screen using live activities. And as the tournament progresses, tap onto the bracket icon here to see how each team is getting on and who you're playing in the next round. Set your favourite team once, and you'll be following the whole tournament. And if you like this, check out this video next.